Namaste. Welcome to Monday Bytes from Chitrakas. Like the channel, share it to your friends and relatives, subscribe the channel, write your comments in the comment box, and thanks for encouraging me to do more videos. This is the continuation of previous videos. This is on the topic signs what car gives you back, that brother you need to take care of me. The fifth point we are continuing is that your exhaust would be a good sign. It gives you a good sign. There are different colors of smoke coming in: gray, white, black. So if you can notice the exhaust that it is giving white smoke, that means your engine, the oil what is there is getting directly burnt. So when it is burnt, that means there is something which is very important, like you need to check the injectors, check the fluids, check the all the things in the car, because it needs service, it needs attention, it needs to take care of the car. Then the other sign would be your performance of the car is not coming like the way it used to come before. It is not giving mileage, it is making big noise, it is not having a good pickup, the hills are not getting climbed, the upper things are not getting climbed. There are a lot of signs which the car gives you that you need to get compulsory service done and maintain, change the oils, change the rest of the things, get it perfectly checked. Then it will give you good service. The other sign is the seventh sign. What we are talking about is suspension. So when you are driving, if your car is new, even in potholes when you drive, you don't get any unwanted noise like cut sound or etc. So if whenever you are driving on a speed breaker, going above the speed breaker, or driving in potholes, you get that cut noise, and that shows that you need to take care of the suspensions immediately. If not, your car will break down, or tires get worn faster, the brake pads get worn, etc. So this are the signs which car gives you when you're driving, and if you're not taking care of the car well. So please, when you notice this kind of signs when you're driving your car, you need to take action, get it serviced, get it repaired, and maintain the car. So that helps you to drive comfortably in short and long distance. Happy driving, safe driving. Think of cars, think Chitrakas. Thank you.